In this video I'm going to show you how to knit the purl stitch. I'm going to show it in a regular pace first and then repeat it in slow motion. I've added timestamps to this tutorial so you can go back and forth as much as you need to. I've already casted all my stitches and knitted one row in the knit stitch. I also start this row with a knit stitch. Now I bring my yarn to the front in order to make a purl stitch. With the purl stitch, you do the opposite of the knit stitch. You insert the needle from the back to the front, and when you wrap the yarn around the needle, you first go over the needle and then under the needle. You bring the needle back through the loop and you let the old stitch slip from your left needle. Now I'll do a stitch in slow motion. Insert the needle from the back to the front. Wrap the yarn around the needle, first over the needle and then under the needle. Bring the tip of the needle back through the loop and let the old stitch slip from the left needle. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more crafting inspiration. The knit stitch and the purl stitch are the base stitches of knitting. You can create a lot of structures, which are also called stitches, by alternating those two stitches in a certain way. A very common stitch is the stockinette stitch. In this stitch you alternate one row of knit stitch with one row of purl stitch.